RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you tips to quickly find a water leak. As long as we find the source, water leak problem is half solved. The left side of the bathroom wall is dry, but the right side is wet. Seems like this wall from upstairs is leaking. Go upstairs to find the source of the leak. First, observe the tile gap. The upper part is dry, but lower part is wet. We could exclude the pipes of the upper part. Seems like pipes of the lower part are leaking. After observing, there are 3 pipes in the wall. Pipe of the sink, pipe of the water heater, pipe of the washing machine. Use a cotton bud to test whether the gap between the sink pipe and tile is wet. The cotton bud is dry, so we could exclude the sink pipe. Then use a flathead screwdriver to turn off the cold water valve. Stop the water from coming in and then empty out the remaining water. By doing so, we could tell if the water heater pipe is leaking. Then observe for 2 days and see if there's water stain on the wall. There's still leakage, so it's not caused by the water heater pipe. Lastly, we suspect the washing machine pipe is leaking. Break the wall of the washing machine pipe. Found out that there's water dripping. We found the source of the leak. After repairing, 2 days later, touch and observe the wall. Make sure it's dry, then fill it. If the wall is still wet, you'll have to check if there's other water leak. Tips. You could also use an infrared camera to detect water leak. Infrared cameras detect and indicate the temperature difference between water in the wall. Help us identify the pipe location in the wall, and further find the leaking source. Also, you could use a water pressure gauge to test the leakage. Infrared camera and water pressure gauge are advanced water leak detection tools. Please advise a professional plumber. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.